Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Ahrefs site audit access for backlink analysis. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Ahrefs site audit access for backlink analysis, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Ahrefs website and log in to your account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard on the main page. Select the Site Audit feature from the left-hand menu. Click on the New Project button to create a new site audit. Enter the URL of the website you want to analyze. Choose the appropriate options for crawling and schedule settings. Click on the Create Project button to finalize the setup. Now, proceed to connect your website for authentication. Select the method of verification that suits your requirements. You can choose between HTML file upload, HTML tag, or Google Search Console. If you opt for HTML file upload, download the verification file from Ahrefs. Upload this file to the root directory of your website using an FTP client. If you select the HTML tag option, copy the provided tag to your website's header section. For Google Search Console, simply follow the prompts to connect your account. Once the authentication method is in place, go back to Ahrefs. Click on Start Site Audit to begin the analysis. Allow Ahrefs some time to crawl and analyze the website. Once completed, you will receive a comprehensive report. This report includes various metrics, including backlinks analysis. Review the backlink data provided to derive insights for your SEO strategy. Regularly conducting site audits will help maintain your website's health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.